Well, working with Tesco has always been an enriching experience for me, and I feel quite fortunate to have the opportunity to work with Tesco right from its inception, to witness every phase of its growth in the last 10 years. It's a wonderful experience altogether. I feel proud. The way HSE has evolved over the last 10 years is quite remarkable, and personally Tesco has helped me develop my career in retailing with immense learning and self-satisfaction. The significant change, I would say, is the technology and the broad range of services we offer from Tesco HSE. When I took over transitioning from UK to HSE in 2006, that was the turning point of my career at Tesco. It opened doors for me to dive deeper and understand retailing quite closely and reach where I am today. My family has been very supportive of my career choices and decisions, especially about my on-site travels and my working hours. Tesco is an awesome place to work with its multiple career opportunities, amazing work-life balance and cool work culture. It is said that a company is only as good as its people. I believe we have incredibly talented people who believe in Tesco values and live those values. I found Tesco trainings quite helpful, be it the Tesco Academy leadership trainings or CDM certification oriented ones, or be it sessions like Women in Network. Always helped me to improvise and grow.
Sarah is self-driven. It's not required to push her, but be ready for a push from her. All NSM based service views keep on coming in for development, as she alone holds the fort for getting these projects into our team. Her networking abilities enable her to overcome any hiccups, as she connects easily with the broad spectrum of stakeholders across the regions. She's always on top of what's happening, and she's always in full throttle to help the team with providing the monitoring framework, which is very important from operations and service point of view. Getting the work in became difficult after we moved away from having a touch point in UK for UKSM, but I think Sarah made it possible for us. Sarah is a modest person. She does a lot but never brags about it. She's always calm and composed, but don't go by what you see. There's always a lot happening within, and she always emerges as a winner in adverse conditions. Sarah possesses a sense of ownership in whatever she does. She is known to take the things to conclusion with complete ownership. She can handle pressure and yet keep smiling. She leads from the front and demonstrates what good looks like.
I know Sarah from last 7 years. We have been part of the same team. What strikes me most about Sarah is her humble nature, down to the earth, and a go-to person. She is very dedicated, hardworking and committed person. She always looks towards helping others and making sure that the teams work towards achieving their objectives. Working with Sarah is a really wonderful experience. I've seen her playing different kind of roles in the organization, especially like service introduction, business analyst, or different kind of roles. And as a person, she was very helpful. She was very soft-spoken, very committed towards her work, and always eager to help. Sarah's most endearing quality is her effective communication skills, how she makes sure that she understands the expectations of the stakeholders and work towards achieving that. So that I feel that it's her one of the strongest qualities which she possesses.